Hello, welcome to Study Circle. Today we are going to read Class 9th Standard Geography, Chapter 4, Climate. This video is the summary of this whole chapter. This video is intended for revision purpose only. If you are preparing for any teaching exam, then this video is very useful for you. So without wasting any much time, let's start. Climate. In this chapter, we will learn about the atmospheric conditions that prevail over our country. Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Elements of weather and climate, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. Climatic controls. There are 6 major controls of the climate of any place. They are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, continentally, and ocean currents and relief features. Now the factors affecting India's climate is latitude, altitude, pressure and winds. What is latitude? Latitude is the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country. Half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer belongs to the tropical area. And altitude, the Himalayas prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the subcontinent, making winter milder as compared to Central Asia. Pressure and winds. Atmospheric conditions that govern climate and associated weather conditions in India are pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances, and tropical cyclones. Upper air circulation. The higher level of atmosphere is dominated by a westerly flow. An important component of this flow is the jet stream. Jet streams are a narrow belt of high altitude, westerly winds in the troposphere, transition between troposphere and stratosphere. Western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. The western disturbance, which enter the Indian subcontinent from the west and northwest during the winter months, originate over the Mediterranean Sea and are brought into India by the westerly jet stream. Tropical cyclones originate over the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Tropical cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in October-November and are part of easterly flow. The Indian monsoon. Monsoon are seasonal winds which reverse the direction of flow with the change of season. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Factors that affect the mechanism of Indian monsoon. Differential heating and cooling of land and water create low pressure on land while the sea experiences high pressure. Shifting of intertropical convergence zone ITCZ over the Ganga plain during summers. The intensity and position of high pressure area toward the east of Madagascar approximately at 20 degrees over the Indian Ocean affects the Indian monsoon. The heating up of the Tibetan Plateau in summers creates low pressure above the plateau. The movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas and the presence of tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during the summer. Southern oscillation. The onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. The duration of monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. When the monsoon arrives, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. This is known as burst of the monsoon. It proceeds into two, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on approximately the 10th of June. The Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in northwestern states of India by early September. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. By December, monsoons retreat completely from the rest of India. Now the seasons. 4 main seasons can be identified in India. The cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon and the retreating monsoon. Cold weather season, that is winter. The season begins from mid-November and stays till February in northern India. The coldest months are December and January in northern part of India. The hot weather season, that is summer. The hot weather season in India ranges from March to May. Temperatures are up to 48 degrees Celsius are experienced in North India. In peninsular India, temperature remains lower due to moderating influence of the oceans. Advancing monsoons, the rainy seasons. By early June, the trade winds of southern hemisphere get attracted to the northern hemisphere due to the creation of low pressure condition there. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases from the east to the west. Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat get scanty rainfall. Retreating or post-monsoon, the transition season. During October to November, the movement of the sun towards south causes the monsoon through the northern plains to become weaker. By early November, the low pressure condition over the northwestern India get transferred to the Bay of Bengal, which causes cyclonic depressions. Monsoon as a unifying bond. There is a great diversity in the climatic condition due to location, extent, and relief features. These monsoon winds bind the whole country by providing water to set the agriculture activities in motion. So this is the summary of this chapter. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.